Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Max. So today we are going to discuss circles exercise 1 VSAQs which has weightage 2 marks. So weightage 2 marks. So let's get started. First question. Find the equation of the circle with center C and radius R. The equation of the circle with center C and radius R were. So in this first one, C is given minus A comma B and R equal to A plus B. So in the question they asked to find the equation of the circle where the center and radius are given. So if center and radius are given, we have a formula, that is equation of circle is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this is the formula we have to use. In case if c equal to 0, 0, then we have to use x square plus y square equal to r square. So the answer solution is given C equal to minus A comma B, R equal to A plus B. So the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So h comma k. So here h is equal to minus a and k equal to b. So substitute, we get x minus of minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r, that is a plus b whole square. Minus of minus, it is plus. So x plus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square. So we know the formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So substitute the formulas. In that we get x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2by is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square, b square get cancelled. Then the remaining is x square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by, and when plus 2ab comes towards left side, then it becomes minus 2ab equal to 0. So this is the equation. Moving on to the second sum. Given c equal to 0, 0 and r equal to 8. So if c equal to 0, 0, then we have to use x square plus y square equal to r square. So the solution is, given c equal to 0, 0, r equal to 8, equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. So if you substitute r square, r, then we get x square plus y square equal to 8 whole square. That is x square plus y square equal to 64. Or you can write it as x square plus y square minus 64 equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Moving on to the next question. Second one. Find the center and radius. Center and radius of the circle whose equation are, so in that first one, 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. In the previous question, they have asked to find the equation from the given center and radius. So we know the formula, we substituted and we find the equation. But now in this question, they are asking to find the center and radius from the given equation. So we have to find center and radius from this equation. So what are the conditions that represent a circle? It is a second degree equation x and y. Yes. And coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square. It is equal. And xy term should be eliminated. Why? Because to form a equation of circle. And also x square coefficient should always be 1. So we have to divide with 3. So see the solution. Given 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. So first divide with 3. Divide 3. Then we get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 6 by 3y plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. So we get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x and 6 by 3, that is 2, 2y plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. So how to find center from an equation? So center equal to x coefficient by minus 2 comma y coefficient by minus 2. So c equal to, what is x coefficient? Minus 5 by 3. minus 5 by 3 by minus 2. What is y coefficient? Minus 2 by minus 2. Here minus minus get cancelled and minus 2 get cancelled and 2 comes up, which is 5 by 3 into 2. Like if you see 5 by 3 by 2 and you keep 1, then 5 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 5 by 6. So we get 5 by 6 comma 1 is the center. So if we find the center, then we can find the radius, that is r equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So we know g and f, so substitute that. So substitute g and f values, then we get root over 5 by 6 whole square plus 1 square minus, and what is c? So c is the constant, that is 4 by 3. So root over 25 by 36, 1 square it is 1 minus 4 by 3. So here LCM is 36, like I will do here. Taking 36 and 3, 3 12s, 3 1s, 3 4s, 1, and it's 4 1 comma 1. So 4 into 3 into 3, that is 36. So LCM is 36. So root over 25 plus, here it is any, then multiply with 36, and 3 12s are 36, so multiply with 12. 36 minus 48 by 36 is equal to root over 25 plus 36 is 61. 61 minus 48, that is 13. So 13 by 36. So you can write it as 6 square. 6 square is 36. So then square and root get cancelled. Then it is root 13 by 6. So this is the answer. Moving on to the next sum. Second bit. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. So we have to find the center and radius. Given equation x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. So from this, center equal to x coefficient by minus 2 comma y coefficient by minus 2. So what is x coefficient? 6 comma minus 2. And what is y coefficient? 8 by minus 2. So 2 3s and 2 4s. So this is the center, and radius equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So root over minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square minus of minus 96. So what is 3 square? 9. 4 square 16 plus 96. Here 96 plus 16, it's 112, and 112 plus 9 is 121, which is 11 square. Square and root get cancelled and the answer is 11. So this is the answer. Moving on to the next sum. Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having the center at minus 4 comma minus 3. So in the given question they asked to find the equation where the circle is passing through the origin, that is 0 comma 0, and having the center at minus 4 comma minus 3. So let us see. This is a circle and center C and this some point P. So the question is the circle passing through the origin and having center at minus 4 comma minus 3. So at P it is 0 comma 0 and at C it is minus 4 comma minus 3, and we know that CP is equal to R. So the solution is given C equal to minus 4 comma minus 3 and P equal to 0 comma 0, and we know that R is equal to CP. So by using distance formula, x minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let C point P x1 comma y1 and PB x2 comma y2. Then minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square, that is root over minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. So root over 16 plus 9, that is root 25, so is equal to 5, like root 5 square is equal to 25 and root and square get cancelled, then we get R is equal to 5. And in the question they gave that the equation of circle having center at -4, -3 and passing through 0, 0 having radius 5 units is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So substitute, then we get x minus of -4 whole square plus y minus of -3 whole square equal to, what is r? It's 5, so 5 whole square. So x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 25. So a plus b whole square, x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y equal to 25. So x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y and plus 16 minus 25 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y. Sorry, here also plus 9, then plus 25 minus 25 equal to 0. Then we get x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y and plus 25 minus 25 get cancelled is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Moving on to the next question. Find the equation of the circle passing through -2, -3 and having center 0, 0. So the question is to find the equation of the circle passing through -2, -3 and having a center 0, 0. So this is a circle and a center C which has 0, 0 and a point P which has -2, -3. So this is R. So the solution given C center equal to 0, 0 and a point P is equal to -2, -3. So we know that R equal to CP. So CP means root over 0 minus of minus, that is plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus of minus plus whole square. Then we get root over 2 square plus 3 square, that is root over 4 plus 9, that is root 13. So as per the question, the equation of the circle having center C 0, 0 and passing through -2, 3 and radius √13 units. So what is the equation of a circle when c is equal to 0, 0? That is x square plus y square equal to r square. So x square plus y square equal to √30 whole square. So we get x square plus y square equal to root and square get cancelled. It's equal to 13. So this is the answer. So moving on to the next question. Fifth one. Find the values of A if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. So the question is to find the value of A and also we have to find the radius. So the solution is given equation (2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So the above equation represents a circle. Then we have condition, that is coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So since above equation represents a circle, so coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So what is x square coefficient? That is 2 and y square is equal to 8. So therefore A is equal to 2. Therefore we got the equation, that is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0, and the coefficient of x square should always be 1. So divide the whole equation with 2. Then we get x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus 2 by 2, it's 1. So we can write y minus 1 equal to 0. So from this equation we have to find center. So what is center? X coefficient by -2, y coefficient by -2. So what is x coefficient? -3 by 2, -2, y coefficient 1 by -2. So minus minus get cancelled and 2 goes up, like 3 by 2 into 2. So 3 by 4, by, 1 by -2. This is the center. So from center we can find R. So what is R? It is root over g square plus f square minus c. So what is g square? 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 by -2 whole square. And what is c? 1. So minus of minus 1. So root over 3 square 9 by 16, that is 4 square, plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So what is the LCM? LCM 16 comma 4. So we can take 4. So for 4 16, 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4 comma 1. So 4 into 4, that is 16. So LCM is equal to 16. So root over 9 plus 4 4s are 16. So 4 and by 1 into 16 we have to multiply, plus 16 whole by 16. Then we get root over sorry guys, actually we have to divide this 2 with whole equation. So here by 2. So we get C is equal to by 2. So 2. So 8 2s are, it's 16. So here 8. So 9 plus 4 plus 8, that is 21 by 16. So 21 means root 21 and 16 can written as 4 square, and square and root get cancelled. Then we get root 21 by 4. So this is the final answer. So moving on to the next sum, sixth one. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0 has the center at 2, 3, has the center at 2, 3, then find A, B and the radius of the circle. So the given question is, if the circle has the center at 2, 3, then find A, B and the radius of the circle. So the solution is given equation x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0, which represents a circle. So and also given C equal to 2, 3. So we have C formula, that is minus G minus F from a general equation of a circle. So then if we compare these both, then we get minus G equal to 2, then G is equal to minus 2 and minus F is equal to 3, F is equal to minus 3. And what is the general equation of a circle? That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So compare equation 1 and equation 2. Then we get 2g is equal to a, then g is equal to minus 2. So substitute minus 2 in place of g, then we get a is equal to 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, and 2f is equal to b. So what is f? It is minus 3, so b is equal to 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So we got the values of a and b. So now we have to find the radius. So before finding the radius, we have to find the center, but already the center is given in the question, so no need of finding center. So radius r equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So what is g? G is equal to 2 and f is equal to 3. See, g is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square minus, and what is c? That is minus 12. So minus of minus 12, then we get root over 4, 3 square 9 plus 12, minus of minus, it is plus. Then we get 25, which is 5. So r is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Moving on to the next question, 7th one. Find the equation of the circle for which the points given are the endpoints of a diameter. So the points are minus 4, 3 and 3, 4. So this is a circle where the endpoints of a diameter, let it is A and B. One is minus 4, 3 and another one is 3, minus 4, and this is center C. So the solution is, let A is equal to minus 4, 3 and B equal to 3, minus 4. So the equation of circle passing through diameter N is, the equation of circle passing through diameter ends is, we have a formula, that is x square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to 0. So let A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. So substitute, we get x square plus y square minus x into x1, that is minus 4, plus x2, that is 3, minus y into y1 3 plus y2, that is minus 4 plus minus 4 into 3 plus 3 into minus 4 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, so minus into minus plus x, minus 1 minus into minus plus y, minus 12, and here also 4 3s are 12, that minus 12 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 is the equation. Yeah, that's it, and I hope you all understand it well, and thank you guys for watching my video.